What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Dude I'm Driving. So it's finally arrived, my new MC lift from Rawlink. I am pretty excited for this one. Some of you might know that I tried building my own MC lift, that platform there with a traditional center lift, and doing your home alone stuff might work for somebody with a bit of patience. Me, not so much. So I said screw it, and I bought the damn lift. Well, let's try and unpack the damn thing. So that was a bit of a task. No, it wasn't actually. It was actually pretty reasonable, pretty easy. Putting this thing together is not that complicated. The only thing you need is two 17mm bolt. I don't know what you call this in English. Wrenches, so to speak. Yeah, 17mm of this shit. Do yourself a favor and read the manual. It's not that complicated. It's like 3 pages long, and most of it is just like logical put together. If you have played with something like Lego or anything like that, this will be like a walk in the park. For 3,000 Danish Kroner, that's around 400 euros. You get this entire thing. It comes with everything you need, including a confusing manual, and the only thing you need is these two 17mm to install it all. And I would say if you read the manual and you take your time, this one can be assembled in less than 10 minutes and not the half an hour that I used it to. Throw me whatever you have, and see you on the road.